Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Btools. These incredible tools empower you to build and modify your Roblox creations with precision and speed. They offer a comprehensive suite of functions for manipulating parts, making complex structures much easier to manage. Whether you are designing intricate models or simply arranging objects, mastering Btools will significantly enhance your building workflow and open up new creative possibilities within the Roblox platform. Let's dive into how to get started. To begin, you'll usually find Btools within Roblox Studio's Model tab, or they might be enabled in certain games. Once active, you'll see a toolbar with various options. The Move tool is fundamental, letting you precisely reposition objects, often in one-stud increments. Delete removes unwanted parts, and Clone quickly duplicates them. The Resize tool is also crucial, allowing you to adjust a part's dimensions, giving you full control over its size. These basic functions form the foundation of efficient building. Moving beyond the basics, the Rotate tool is vital for achieving perfect angles, often rotating objects by 15-degree increments. The Anchor tool is indispensable for securing parts, preventing them from falling or shifting during gameplay. You can also use the Surface tool to customize the material and appearance of specific faces on a part. For even greater efficiency, learn to combine the Select tool with others, allowing you to manipulate dozens of objects at once, dramatically speeding up your construction process. When using Btools, always remember to save your work frequently, especially after making substantial changes to avoid losing progress. Be aware that Btools functionality can vary across different Roblox games depending on developer permissions. Always build ethically, respecting other players' creations and adhering to Roblox's community guidelines. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try combining different tools and settings to uncover new, efficient ways to build. With practice, you'll become a master builder, creating incredible experiences for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.